Hey friends! This week, I took on a pretty wild challenge. I tried to supercharge my liver by eating all 11 of the most powerful liver-friendly foods in just 7 days. And let me tell you, the results surprised me. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It filters toxins, supports digestion, balances your hormones. It's literally your body's detox superhero. But in today's world of processed snacks, stress, and late-night takeout, our livers are overworked and overwhelmed. So, what can we do? Simple, feed it right. Many people are walking around with sluggish livers without even knowing it. You might feel tired, bloated, or even foggy-headed. And in more serious cases, fatty liver disease, inflammation, and poor digestion can start creeping in. But here's the good news: food can either hurt or heal your liver. And today, I'm sharing 11 incredible, science-backed foods that help your liver heal, detox, and thrive. And yes, I personally ate every single one of them this week. Let's count them down. 1. Leafy greens, kale, spinach. These are full of chlorophyll and antioxidants, which help cleanse your liver of environmental toxins. Add them to your morning smoothie or saute with garlic for dinner. 2. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits packed with vitamin C and enzymes that help flush out toxins and improve liver enzyme production. Start your day with a grapefruit or fresh lemon water. 3. Cruciferous veggies, broccoli, cauliflower. These guys are liver superheroes. They help boost detox enzymes and protect the liver from damage. Try roasting them with olive oil for a delicious side. 4. Berries, blueberries, raspberries, rich in fiber and antioxidants. Studies have shown that berries can slow down liver fibrosis and reduce inflammation. 5. Apples, pears, peaches. These fruits contain pectin, a fiber that helps cleanse the digestive tract and reduces the liver's toxic load. Snack on them or bake them into a healthy treat. 6. Nuts and seeds, walnuts, flax seeds. Walnuts are rich in omega-3s and glutathione, both crucial for liver detox. I started sprinkling flax seeds on my yogurt and oats for a nutty crunch. 7. Fatty fish, salmon, sardines. Their high omega-3 content helps lower liver fat and inflammation. I grilled salmon twice this week, so good. 8. Turmeric. Let's pause here for a second, because turmeric deserves a spotlight. This golden spice contains curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and liver-regenerating effects. Add it to curries, rice, or even lattes. It's potent, and it works. 9. Green tea. A warm cup a day may help reduce liver enzyme levels and oxidative stress. Just don't overdo it. Moderation is key. 10. Olive oil. A tablespoon a day of high-quality extra virgin olive oil has been shown to reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity. 11. Bonus. Garlic. I know, I said 11. But here's a bonus. Garlic is full of sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes and help flush out toxins. So, how did I feel after 7 days of eating these 11 foods? Honestly, lighter, more energized, less bloated, and my digestion? Way smoother. I didn't change much else, just added these foods daily. That's the power of real, healing nutrition. And this isn't about dieting or restriction. It's about supporting your body, your liver, with what it needs to do its job better. So there you have it, 11 liver-loving foods that can help you detox naturally, boost your energy, and protect one of your body's most vital organs. Now it's your turn. Which of these foods do you already eat? And which ones are you excited to try this week? Drop it in the comments. I read every one of them. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more natural health tips. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live.